Hello. Hi, everyone. Can you hear me?
Yeah, Praveen, I can hear you.
Yeah, hi. Dilip, right?
Yeah.
Hi, Dilip. Hi.
Hi, Praveen.
Yeah. So I can see Dilip, Divya, Hima, and Sharat Kumar. So can you please introduce in a short one by one?
Hello, Praveen. This is Hima.
Yeah, hi, Hima.
Yes, I'm new to this. I don't have any IT experience. I'm into
Mhm.
recruitment team earlier,
Okay.
so I guess I want from scratch,
Okay. Okay.
from
So
the
you have
basics.
completed your, I mean, like a degree or anything else?
Now
I
I
just
have
want to know.
completed my bachelor's back in
Hmm.
India
Hmm.
and
Okay.
computer science, but I haven't worked in any IT field.
All right. All right. No problem. Yeah.
Yeah, and here I'm about to complete my master's
Mhm.
in the stream
Okay.
of data science.
Okay. All right. All right.
Yeah.
Thanks for the info. Maybe Abhishek, Abhi, Rakesh, you can continue.
Yes.
Yeah, Abhi, can you please introduce yourself? I just want
Hi.
to, I'm just looking for your basic information. What exactly you have completed, how much hours, years of experience you have it, and if you are new in a Dynamics 365 or you have a basic awareness about it. I just want to look, I'm just looking
Yeah.
for all those basic details.
Okay. Hi, my name is Abhirakesh Kolluri. I recently completed my master's in information systems, and I don't have any experience. I completed my bachelor's and then I came for master's. Now I'm looking for a job. So I'm interested in like uh, some coding language or yeah, that's it.
All right, no problem. Yeah. Maybe Dilip, you can introduce yourself.
Hi, Praveen. This is Dilip.
Yes,
Like
Dilip.
I said, I don't have any prior experience, IT experience. So I just recently graduated my master's degree. Back in India, I completed my bachelor's in computer science.
Mhm.
So yes, I don't have any prior IT experience.
Okay. So you are fresher too.
Yeah.
All right. Moving to the next one, I think Divya.
Hi, Praveen. This is Divya.
Yeah, hi
I
Divya.
don't have any experience in IT.
Mhm.
Uh, I recently graduated in UNT of North Texas. I need to learn the coding, but I do have experience only in a 4 months, not in years. In a 4 months, in Informatica developer as in Tech Mahindra.
Mhm. Nice to hear.
But I don't, but I don't have idea about like coding or nothing.
All right, no problem. Yeah, thank you. The last one, I think Sharat. Yes, Sharat.
Hi, Praveen. This is Sharat Kumar. So I completed my master's in last month in May. So I don't have any previous work experience in any IT field. I'm looking forward to learn Microsoft Dynamics from the basics. Thank you.
All right, yeah, thank you. Yes, nice to hear that you all have basic idea about IT at least, not from Dynamics 365, but you have an idea about IT. What are the technologies that you are looking for that you are much aware, and you have started to learn Dynamics 365, or you want to learn a Dynamics 365 if I'm not wrong. All right. So I will introduce myself as well. So I do have experience, almost 7 to 8 years experience in Dynamics 365 so far. I have trained more than 100, 200 candidates, something like that. All right. So we'll share my screen and then we'll continue. What does it mean by Dynamic 365? What are the things that we'll cover in a daily sessions? What is the use of Dynamic 365? What are the things that we have to develop it? What are the things that we can cover it? What are the limitations? What are the advantages? Why we have to use a Dynamic 365 CRM? So and so on. Okay. In the meantime, if you have any question, you can ask me, or else I will proceed with the presentation. Shall I start?
Yeah, Praveen, you can continue with the presentation.
All right. Yeah. Just give me a minute. I'm sharing my screen quickly. Can someone please confirm if you can see my screen?
Yeah, I can see your screen.
All right. Yeah. Thanks for the confirmation. So as I mentioned, we have to go through with the topic called as a Dynamic 365 CRM. In a Dynamic 365, we do have a different models. Finance and operation, now AX, customer engagement, customer service, sales and service, then marketing model. There are lots of different models which is available in a Dynamic 365. So here we will focus on the topics called as a Dynamic 365 customer engagement. Okay, so in a Dynamic 365 customer engagement, why we are using it, what is the use of it, to whom we will deliver it, who will use it, that everything I will explain it. So first of all, I will start with a very basic question. Have you used a WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, any bank application, any website? Have you used?
Yes.
Okay, so kind of a social media that we are using. For example, WhatsApp we are using. Then we are using Facebook. Even we are using Instagram. Okay. Also, we are using kind of a different applications from different organizations. For example, we are using a banking applications. ICICI Bank, SBI Bank. Okay. Also, we have visited, if I'm not wrong, you guys have visited different websites as well. For example, government website, Aadhaar card website. Have you visited so far? Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Aadhaar card website. Then what else that you have visited? Maybe university website. Okay. What any other website that you have visited? Can someone please explain? I'm just explaining different types of applications. Yes,
Schedule website.
google.com, right? Google.com, gmail.com. So these are the website, right? Again, these are the applications. Am I right? Also, we have seen about the calculator. If you can open your mobile app, you will be able to see calculator. Are you able to see a calculator in your mobile app? Yes, Hima, Divya.
Yes.
Okay. So even
Yeah.
we can see other different applications. For example, alarm. We can see contacts. We can see calculator. Yes, please go ahead.
Calendar.
Calendar, correct. Okay. So I will just go through with the differences. If I open a WhatsApp, if I open a calculator, if I open a website, if I open a banking application. So social media is altogether freeware. We can just have to install it and we have to use it. We don't have to pay anything. Am I right? Do we have to pay any single rupee for that? For any
No.
social
Not at
media?
all.
Not at
Not
all,
at all.
exactly. But for a banking application, we should be a customer. We must be a customer of that bank. Otherwise, we won't be able to use that application. Am I right?
Right.
Yes.
Okay. Google.com, gmail.com, we can access it. We can open it in a different platform. For example, I can open gmail.com in a website. I can open it in a mobile app as well, correct?
Yeah.
Calculator, same thing. I can open it in a mobile as well as I can open it in a laptop. I can open it in a desktop as well. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what I want to explain here, we do have a different applications in a market already. For example, calculator, WhatsApp. So these are the applications. Some of the applications are license applications. Some of the applications are free applications. Free in the sense we don't have to pay anything. We just have to download it. We just have to use it. That's all. Okay. Now coming to the point of a Dynamic 365. What kind of applications that we can create and who will use it? Dynamics 365 CRM. Very first thing, if we have to develop a Dynamic 365, to whom we will deliver it, we should be aware about it. Dynamic 365 application, no any normal user won't be able to use it. No any normal user. They will be able to use it only for licenses users. Have you visited any bank? Yes, Ima.
Yes.
In which bank that you have visited?
HDFC.
HDFC. So in HDFC bank, if you can visit, you will be able to see they are using one of the application that we can't access it. Am I right?
Yes.
We can't access that application. We can access our application. We can't use their application. The reason being that application is having a restrictions to use it. In the sense, if you have a licenses, then and then only we can open it. Then and then only we can open it. So that kind of application, that kind of a business applications we have to create with the help of Dynamic 365. Are we clear? Any question, any query? We are not creating any free applications here. We are creating only licenses applications only for business users. No any end user will be able to use it. We can just put it in our Google Play Store and no one will be able to use it directly without any licenses. It means that Dynamics 365 CRM is altogether license applications. If you have to use it, you should have to pay something. Are you clear about the application? Any question,
Yes,
any query, any concern?
no, it's clear so far.
All right. Dilip, do you have any question from your side?
No, Praveen.
All right. So in a Dynamic 365 CRM, the meaning itself, it is in a name, CRM, Customer Relationship Management. Have you visited in a bank? If you have visited in any organization, for example, if you visit to the railway station, if you visit to the airlines, we are getting some services from the government. Am I right? Is that right?
Yes.
Yes.
So what they are providing? They are providing some services, but to whom? To the customer only, na? To the customer. So Dynamics 365 is also one of the business application where we have to maintain, track, and store the information of a customer. That is nothing but CRM, Customer Relationship Management with the business. Customer Relationship Management. The term called as a CRM is nothing but Customer Relationship Management. So same like a bank application. They are storing the information of a customer who has opened the account, how many balance it is available, how many accounts are there, How many saving accounts are there? How many current accounts are there? So indirectly, they are storing the information of a customer only. Am I right? Hima, Divya, Dilip.
Right.
So same kind of applications we have to create, maintain, store the information of a customer in Dynamics 365. Dynamics 365, it is one of the applications which is provided by Microsoft. So that application will help us to design the application for our new client, for our new customer. For example, we have to deliver it to the railway department. We have to deliver it to the army department. We have to deliver to any company. For example, we have to deliver it to the Google. We have to deliver it to the Amazon. So no any normal user won't be able to use it. So it's not a simple application. It's a business application. Are you clear about it?
Yeah.
What's about the simple application? Calculator. Calculator, it's a very simple application. We just have to open in a mobile app. I can even open it in a laptop as well. So I don't need any kind of a licenses, correct?
Yeah.
But in case of a Dynamics 365 CRM, we must have a licenses. Then and then only we can open this application. Clear so far?
Yeah.
Yeah. Clear.
Anyone have any question, any query? Do I need to repeat anything?
Nothing.
Okay.
No.
Yeah. So let's continue with the introduction of a Dynamics 365 now. So earlier they have started with the version called as a 1.1. The version that have started with 1.1. Then they have started with the 2.0, 3.0, 4.0. Then they have started with 2011, 2013, 2015, 2016. Same way it is working for your WhatsApp as well, right? So recently they have upgraded WhatsApp. If you can see your WhatsApp, they have added a new features. Are you able to see? For example, video call, you will be able to see new groups. We can have a new features. Even we can see a blue tick mark. So these options, it was not available in a earlier WhatsApp. Have you observed that? Anyone?
Yeah, Praveen.
So it means that
the message.
Yeah, it means that always they are coming with a new features. Always they are coming with a new features. Same as it is Dynamics 365 as well. They are coming with always a new features. And after that, they are upgrading the version as well. So they have started with the 1.1 and the latest version is a 9.2. Okay. So we'll create one environment in a 9.2 version and I will demonstrate all the features in the same environment. I mean a 9.2 version only. So that we will be able to cover all the features. What are the latest feature which is available, we will be able to cover it. Clear so far?
Yeah.
Yes. So now we'll continue with the agenda. The agenda is that if we are using a Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM, we have to go through with either no code or a low code. No code in the sense, if the feature is available, we have to use it as it is. If that feature is not suitable for the client, we have to use it with a low code. Minimum code, we have to use it. Clear?
Yes, Praveen.
Okay. So how it is looking, that I will explain. Don't worry about it. I will just go through with the pages, the designs, what is the different applications, what they have provided, what are the things that we have to cover. I will explain everything. I'm just going through with the basic concepts of a Dynamics 365. What are the versions? What is the agenda? So and so on. So we do have a 3 types of applications which is available in a Dynamics 365. One is a model-driven app. Next is a Canvas app. And the last one is a portal. Okay. Anyone have visited a hospital recently? Hospital, hotel? Yes, Dilip, Abhi, Sharad, have you visited hotel, hospital recently? Anyone?
Praveen.
Okay. So if we visit a hotel, they will ask you to submit a feedback.
Yes,
Am I right?
yes,
In the sense, they want to take something from your side. So you are a customer and they are a business, correct?
yes,
Hotel or hospital, they are the business. They are running the business and you are one of the customer for them.
right.
So if you have to submit a feedback, we have to use a portal application. This is only for customers. So this kind of application we can create from Dynamics 365. Clear?
Yeah, clear.
Model-driven app, it is same like a bank and business application. If you have a licenses, then and then only you can use it. It's a altogether license applications. Okay. If you have a license, then and then only you can create it, then and then only you can use it. If you don't have a license, you won't be able to use it. Same as it is for a Canvas app as well. If you have a license, then and then only you can use it. The only difference is that like it will work like a website. Here we have seen it, right? So google.com, it can work like a website, right? It is working as a website. And Canvas app, it is something like a calculator. It's a simple application. Without any licenses, we can use it. Without any format, you can use it. Without any credentials, you can use it. I don't need any licenses, correct? Am I right? Divya, Hima,
Yeah.
Abhi.
Yeah,
Yeah.
clear.
So it's a kind of a simple applications which is available in any platform. So that also we can create with the help of model-driven app or a Canvas app in a Dynamics 365. So it's a simple application which we can open in a mobile app, mobile, tablet. So this way we can open it in a browser. So with the help of Dynamics 365 CRM, we can create three types of applications. First is a model-driven app. Next is the Canvas app. Last is a portal app. Portal application, it is useful for a customers. If you have to take something from a customer, let's consider that I will give one example of a patient. I want to take some inputs from a customer or a patient. What are the today's symptom about blood or a sugar? Okay, so that input I want to take it from the patient side. So how I can take it? If you have a licensed version, in that case, model-driven app, definitely it will not help to the customer. Only business applications user will be able to use it. Am I right? Sharad?
Right, Praveen.
Okay. So if you visit into a bank, the cashier only can access the HDFC application. So that cashier can access all the customer details. Correct, right? We can't use that application. So that's a license version. Are you getting me?
Yes, Praveen.
Yeah.
However, portal application, something like where we can log in and we can access it. So if I need to log into the net banking, I don't need any licenses. I can just open a HDFC website and I can log in it. So that's a portal application. Clear? And the Canvas app, it is something like a normal application that you want to open without any licenses in any platform. It may be in a mobile, it may be in a tablet. For example, calculator application, you want to open it, you want to create it. So these kind of applications we can create with the help of Dynamics 365 CRM. Are we clear? What are the different applications we can create? All these kind of applications we can create. Clear so far?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So apart from Dynamics 365 applications, we can use two more things. One is a Power BI. Do you have any idea about a Power BI? Anyone?
Yeah,
right?
I just had like a basic information about Power BI.
Yes, so that Power BI even we can integrate with the Dynamics 365 as well. Okay. If anyone is not aware, let me explain. Power BI is one of the strongest tool that we can use to prepare a report. So with the help of Dynamics 365, we can use a Power BI as well. And the last one is a Power Virtual Agent. Have you seen any chatbot application? Hima, Dilip, Abhi, have you seen a chatbot?
Yes, I have to.
Where you have seen? Can you please explain?
Like in the banking website.
So how it was working? I mean, like, what was the experience? How it was working? What are the questions that you have asked to the chatbot?
Like, it just start with like, how can I help you? Like,
Exactly.
so I just use
Please
the
go ahead,
query
please go
like
ahead.
what information if I needed, I need replies back. So if at all it cannot answer, it connects me to an agent.
Correct, exactly. So even that kind of application as well we can create with the help of Dynamics 365 CRM. Clear?
Okay.
I'm just checking whether it is available for any website so that I can show you that example. Yes. Yes, Hima, Divya, have you seen it so far anywhere in any website?
Yeah.
This kind of application called as a chatbot. Chatbot is something like it's a first assistant. If you are looking for something, they will provide you some basic assistant. For example, if you have to book an appointment into the hospital, if you are looking for, specific services from a hotel, so they will provide a basic information with the help of chatbot. So this kind of applications as well we can create with the help of Dynamics 365. Clear so far? How many types of applications we can create?
Yes.
So we have to go through with slowly with the different applications, slowly with each and every component for different applications. Each and every component we have to go through with each and every session. So now we'll continue with a look and feel, how it will look a model-driven app, how it will look a canvas app, how it will look a portal. So first of all, I will show you a Dynamics 365 model-driven app. So this is one of the applications which is provided by Dynamics 365 CRM. We haven't created this one. They have provided itself. So the application, it will look like this. A model-driven app, it will look like this one. So here you will be able to see the data of a customer, a data of your order, invoices. Have you visited to any computer shop, any mobile shop? Anyone?
Yes.
Can you please explain the process if you want to purchase a new mobile? A normal process I'm asking.
We'll check the specifications of the mobile and we'll just order it.
Yeah, so basically you will provide your basic information to the mobile shop.
Mobile shop, yeah.
For example, ABC person is looking for mobile. Samsung mobile. Okay, the person name is ABC, last name is XYZ. Job title, let's consider that person is working in a Infosys, any company. I'm just giving a random name. The person name is phone number is 1234. Randomly, I'm just putting a details. Email ID is ABCDXYZ. So here you have provided a basic information to the mobile Shopee owner. Clear? That's how it works, right? Hima, Divya,
Yeah.
Dilip.
Yes.
So you will provide your basic information. Then only they will create a receipt. They will provide a quotation. Correct, right?
Yes.
So same as it is, it will work in a Dynamics 365 as well. After providing a details, they will create a new record in a lead, and they will proceed with a new process called as a qualify. In the sense you are interested to purchase a mobile. So let's consider that Hima is interested to purchase a Samsung mobile. So that product, I will add it here. Price per unit, let's consider that 45,000. Quantity, let's consider that there are 2 quantities that you want to purchase. Anyway, it is not been configured. Let's consider that we have added a products. Okay. After that, what it should happen? They should provide a quotations, correct, right? Hima, Divya, Dilip.
Yeah.
They should provide a quotation. For example, there are 2 mobiles available in our shop. The first model is, for example, A1. Second model is a B2, and these 2 models is available in our shop. Once you will purchase a 2 mobile, you will get a discount. For example, 2% discount, 4% discount. Clear?
Yeah.
So after giving a discount, what will be the amount that we have to check? But how we can check it? They will provide a quotations. Okay, ABC person is looking for Samsung mobile with a ... amount. So this quotation, it will get created, and the salesperson will share with that particular person, ABC person.
Okay.
So same, it is working like a normal application. If you can open your Amazon, you will be able to see the same process. First of all, you have to add your products. Then they will provide a random number, like how much amount you will have to pay. After a discount, how much amount you have to pay. Correct, right?
Yeah.
So at the end, we have to place the order. Correct, right?
Mm-hmm.
So after placing the order, what we have to do? Yes, Hima. After placing order, at the end, we have to pay the amount as well. Correct,
Yeah.
right? So that is nothing but our invoice. That is nothing but our bill. Okay. So everything, it is configured by Dynamics 365. So these applications we have to configure as per the client requirement. Are you getting me? Dilip,
Yeah.
Abhi,
Yes, please.
any question?
No, I'm clear so far.
Sharath?
Yeah, no questions so far, sir.
Okay. So this kind of applications we have to create in a Dynamics 365. This application that they have provided, we have to create a new applications for us. For our learning purpose, we have to create it for hospital, we have to create it for hotel, we have to create for any company, we have to create it for government, so and so on. Okay, I will just explain one of the example for mobile shop. Okay, so this is called as a model-driven app. If you have to create an application, we do have three types of applications: model-driven app, canvas app, portal app. So we have to go through with the sequentially model-driven app, canvas app, and portal app. So canvas app, it is something like a calculator. So we have to create a new calculator applications with the help of Dynamics 365. Here we have to create a new applications called as a calculator. Are you getting me?
Yes.
Anyone have any question, any query? Yes, Dilip.
No questions.
Okay. So as per our topics, we have to go through with the different components for model-driven app. We have to go through with the canvas app. How we will go through it? Let me explain. So first of all, we have to go through with the introduction of a Dynamics 365, which database we are using, what kind of applications that we can create. If we have to create applications, what are the different components available? For example, this is called as a sitemap. These are called as a buttons. This is called as a header section. This is called as a tabs. These are called as a sections. This is called as a subgrid. So all the components we have to create it one by one, one by one, one by one. If we have to create a new application for any business, we have to create all the forms, all the views. We have to create a different types of charts. Let me show you one of the chart over here. Yeah, sales dashboard. Yes. So this kind of a different components we have to create for our applications sequentially, one by one, one by one, one by one. We have to go through it sequential. Then we have to continue with the integration as well. How we can integrate Dynamics 365 with a SharePoint? Do you have anyone have an idea about a SharePoint? Divya? Yes, Hima.
No, I don't have any idea.
Okay. Anyone? SharePoint, email integration, Outlook
No.
integration. For example,
No,
I don't
just
want.
know it's a storage.
Okay. So let me explain. If I have to send an email, what I have to do? I have to log into the Gmail, correct, right? So if you have a Dynamics 365 applications, we need not to use a Gmail. We can have to use a Dynamics 365. From here itself, we can send an email to any customer, to any user. So that integrations we have to go through with sequentially. Then we have to go through with the automation. For example, if new patient come into the hospital, in that case, we have to send an email. If we have created a new account of in any customer in a bank, we have to send an email. Thanks for visiting into a bank, and we have created your new account in our HDFC banks, something like that. We have to send email to the customer. So that is called as an automation. So we have to go through with those things with the help of coding. Okay. So for these things, we should be aware about the C# concepts. Anyone have any experience, any idea about the C# concepts? What does it mean by C#? How it is working?
No.
No.
Okay. Abhi, Sharad.
No.
Okay. Don't
No.
worry. If you don't have any experience, if you don't have any information, that's also fine. I will explain into the sessions. Then we have to go through with some other technologies related with Dynamics 365. For example, how we can use a HTML in Dynamics 365, how we can use a CSS, JavaScript, and TypeScript. Anyone have an idea about HTML at least?
Yes, Praveen.
Yes.
Yes.
So HTML is a very basic language, and everyone should be aware about it. So what is the use of HTML? Can someone please explain?
Like it's used to build the framework of the website, framework of a website.
If you have to build any web page, basically if you have to prepare any web page, so we can use a HTML code, correct?
Yeah.
What is the use of a CSS? Anyone have any idea?
To design it like
If you have to design your web page, we can have to use a CSS. Anyone have any idea about JavaScript?
it's used. It's a
If you have to put a validations on the web page, in that case, we have to use a JavaScript. So all those things that we have to go through it sequentially, one by one, we have to go through with it. Okay. And also we have to go through with the Power BI and chatbot applications as well. So all those things will cover in all the sessions. Any question, any query, any curiosity? Yes, Dilip.
no problem. I don't have any question.
Yeah, so that's it from my side. So we'll check with about your schedule, like when we can connect and when we can start our batch. Everything we'll discuss and then we'll start our batch. If you have any question, you can just discuss right now. Yes, Hima. Do you want to ask me anything?
Like at the end, like can we have something like real time
Exactly. That's a
thing?
good question. That's a
We
good
can-
question. Yes. So this kind of question I'm expecting from your side. That's good question, Hima. So at the end, what will happen? I will create my application. You have to create your own application. For example, I will give one real-time scenario, event management. I will create a hospital application. You have to create a hotel. For example, Hima, you have to create an event management. Abhi, you have to create a mobile applications, mobile in the sense mobile shop. Divya, you have to create for a hotel. Sharath, you have to create for any government organization. So at the end, we'll be ready with a different types of applications. So parallelly, I mean, like whenever I will explain something, at the end, you have to try that in your application as well. Are you getting me, Hima?
Yeah. Is this a free one or like do we need to purchase anything?
That's also a good question. We have a trial environment which is available for 45 days. So we'll cover all the topics within 45 days. After that, our trial environment, it will get expired. We won't be able to use it. The trial environment, it is only for the, learning purpose. So this is my trial environment. If you can see, I'm using this as a trial environment. After 45 days, it will get expired. I won't be able to use these applications at all. Yeah. Any further question? That's good observation, Hima. Thanks for the questions.
Yes.
Yes, Divya. Do you have any questions from your side?
Do we have sessions every day?
It depends on your flexibility. When you will be available, at what time, it depends.
Okay.
Yeah, that we will discuss definitely. And once we will start with the sessions, I will provide my email ID. I will prepare one WhatsApp group as well. So we'll discuss over there. If we are facing any challenges, if you have any questions, we'll discuss in the group. After completing a session, if you have a questions, still you can put it in a group. Yes, Sharad. Do you have any question from your side?
No, Praveen, as of now, no questions.
Mhm.
But I'll get more questions when we are going forward.
Perfect. All right. Yeah. Abhi,
Yeah, no questions, sir.
all right. Don't say Sarah. You can just say Praveen. You can call me as
Yeah,
a Praveen.
yeah, okay, Praveen. Yeah.
All right. Then I think we are good to close this call. We'll check with SS team like how we can start, when we can start. I just want to check with you all. Like what about your flexible time when we can connect in the evening, in the morning? How it should be?
Morning is fine, like 11 or 12 or 10. Yeah.
Can't we connect before 9 or can't we connect in the evening, maybe 7 p.m., 8 p.m., 9 p.m.?
In your
8 PM
timing,
EST?
like EST or IST?
It's Indian time zone only. So I mean India
Oh,
only.
okay. Then it
Yeah.
will be in the
Yeah, it will be
mornings for
perfectly
us.
fine.
Yeah.
Okay. So in the morning at what time?
Like morning means like if you are coming at 7 PM, like it's morning for us, so it will be good.
So when we can start the batch approximately? I mean, like in the next 10 days, 15 days, accordingly, because I'm running one of the batch already, which I will complete in next 10 days.
Okay.
Okay. So if we have to connect in the morning, I have to start at 8:30 because I'm running already a batch at 7:30.
So you're running a batch at 7:30 PM?
Yeah, EM. Evening, I'm okay with at any time. I mean, 7 p.m. onwards, I'm okay with any time. 7 p.m., 8 p.m., 9 p.m., 10 p.m. Anytime, I'm okay.
Okay.
Is that IST or
IST,
How about 8:30 p.m. in your time?
8:30
IST.
p.m., right?
So it will be 11 for us,
Mhm.
11 EST.
That's always fine for me.
Is
8:30 p.m.,
everyone
right?
okay with that?
Is a 9 p.m. is okay for you?
9
So,
p.m. is also fine for me.
yeah, then it will be 11:30 for us.
Mhm. Okay, so that's also fine for me.
So
8:30,
anything
8,
after 7:30 works.
sorry?
Anytime after 7:30 works for us.
Yes. 7 p.m. IST onwards, I'm okay with any slot.
Okay.
Okay, so you just check with each other, like what is your flexible time, at what time you can connect, and accordingly we'll discuss.
Okay, fine.
All right. So if you don't have any further questions, then I think we are good to close this call. Okay. So I will update to the SS team about your feedback, and then we'll continue with the sessions.
Okay, fine. Sounds good.
Okay.
Okay, Praveen.
Thank you so
So
much.
I
Praveen.
hope we will start it soon. Maybe in next week only we'll start it. I'm hoping for the positive. All right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, everyone.
Thank
Thank
you,
Thank you so
Praveen.
much.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye.